Most people think you need a lot of experience, a lot of money, and a lot of time to start to trade Bitcoin. But the truth is, you can do it only in 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Bitcoin step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. I have been trading Bitcoin for a long time ago, so I know exactly what you think, what is your fear, what are the mistakes that you have to avoid, so everything is going to be very simple for you. Step 1. Create an account. For creating an account, we are not going to create a normal account. We are going to create an account that gives us special benefits, discounts, promotions. That's very important because we are going to use that a lot in the beginning and also when we are very good traders because we need discounts for the commissions. Okay, so for that, the best option, the easy option is to go to my webpage. Inside my webpage, you go just to start trading, scroll down, and then you have options of exchange. You can choose, you can read the description about the benefits, and you just choose which one is better for you. In this case, I'm going to choose BuyDefi, and I'm going to put in Sync Up. Now we are in the exchange, so we just have to register. It's like a normal web page. In this case, you can see that it says the name of the channel, it says a promotion, so you know that this account is special. So you are 100% sure that you are not creating a normal account, you are creating a special account. So now you just have to register. In this case, if you do it with Google, it's going to be like 10 seconds. Of course, I already have accounts in BuyDefi, so I'm going to just log in. Step 1 is over. You already have your crypto account. So now what to do? Step 2, put money inside. For this, it's very easy. You just go to the menu, buy crypto, and then you have different options. In this case, we are going to use credit card because it's going to be very easy and very fast, and it's the normal way. If for some reason you cannot use a credit card, you can use local method payments, but for that you have to go to the description because it's another video about how to do it in another platform. Okay, in this case we are just going to put debit card, credit card, and then you have buy and sell. Also you can sell to the exchange. In this case we are going to put how much we want. At the right, you can choose your local coin in your country. If it is not available, you just put USD, okay, like the normal, to see how much you are going to pay and how much you are going to receive. Then I'm going to put, like example, $500, and you are going to see how much in Bitcoin you are going to receive. In this case, we are not going to put in Bitcoin, we are going to put in USDT. USDT is the same conversion, so it's going to be easy for everything to buy USDT. So you put USDT, and then you see you are paying $500 for receiving 482. Why that? Why I'm not receiving $500? That's because when you buy crypto, you are going to lose a little money. But when you sell crypto, you are going to recover that money. That's the rule. So in this case, we are going to pay $500 and to receive 482. Let's put buy. So here you have to do a verification and then you can put all the money that you want. Once you have the money, you just go to the wallet, you press, and then you can see all the money that you have in which coin you have. So for trading, you are going to use USDT. Step 2, complete, you have the money. Step 3, just to trade, you have the exchange, the special benefits, you have the money inside, so you have only to trade. For this, you have obviously two options. Option 1, spot trading. This is to buy crypto, to hold, and then to sell when it goes up. In this case, I'm going to show you an example of futures because it's what I do. I do futures, not spot. So you have trade and you have futures. You go futures, USDT, and then you have BTC. And another coins like Ethereum, etc. In this case, I'm going to put futures, Bitcoin. And here we are ready to trade. We can see Bitcoin, we can see the candles. In this moment, you are 100% ready to trade. You just have to transfer your money from the spot wallet to the futures wallet, and then you are 100% ready to trade. In this account, you can see that I have an open position that is 600% of profit. So one thing that is very important and I want to tell you from the beginning, it's not about to not lose trades, it's about to have a risk management. The important thing here is following a system, okay? If you want more information about the system that I use, you can check the same webpage that you're going to find everything for you. And remember, in the description you have a special playlist for you if you are starting in this amazing world. Subscribe, hit the like, and see you in the next video.